So in this video, I'll show you how to know if my Shopify store is live. So if you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So in here, we have actually logged into our actual Shopify dashboard, and you can see in here my online store. So if you can see your particular theme right here and it doesn't have any tag of unpublished, that means that your store is actually published and live. So when you click on this customize right here, it will open your Shopify editor. In here, you can see the option in here for live, and you can see that it's actually live, and you can see that people will be able to access this particular website of yours. When you click on this three dot, you can actually head over and view this particular store that you have, and this is what it looks like in the eye of the people. So we can also head back. And if you want to unpublish it, scroll down and click on this three dot. And then in here, you have the option to unpublish it by selecting a new theme that you have on your theme library. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.